Um, we're going to talk about first about how do we get the air into the air scrubber itself. There are two main ways of getting the air into the air scrubber. As we can see on the left house, we see that the air scrubber is positioned at the back of the house without a central air duct, which we can see on the right side. Of course, this is depending on which animals you have in the house and the amount of ventilation that is required. Let's first zoom in to the version where the scrubber is positioned at the back of the house. Nice. Like I said, there are two ways of getting the air into the air scrubber. And this is the version where we have the scrubber standing at the back of the house. By doing so, we create a pressure chamber at the back of the house, in front of the air scrubber. In between the house and the pressure chamber, we find ourselves the fan wall. This is the wall where the fans will be positioned. Of course, the amount of air that has to be ventilated is depending on the amount of animals and, of course, the type of animals you have in the house. And like Hans already said, of course, your fans have to be able to cope with the pressure difference of 65 Pascal. That's the requirement of our air scrubber. It's also preferable that the fans are driven or controlled by frequency converters. If we're going to have a look at the version where the air is coming in by a central exhaust duct, we have four main features that are into making the system of a central air duct. We have the central exhaust duct itself, the positioning of the fans, the pressure chamber, and the air scrubber. Let's have a look first at the central exhaust duct first.